Hello, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped and Scrap Family channel, okay? How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. You know how I am. I'm going to jump right on into it of what we're doing today. If you haven't figured it out, you should know it by the title. Yeah, so we're going to be making some DIY bath bombs today. Now, I chose to do this because I'm all out of bath bombs. I used to, back in the day, buy my bath bombs from Plush. Plush has great bath bombs. But as time has gone on, as the pandemic has taken place, you know, just being in the house and wanting to have more self-care time for myself, because, you know, with the kids being home constantly, I find myself taking a whole lot of baths just to like escape from the reality of constantly being around children. Not that I don't love my kids, you know, we all love our kids, but women, ladies, men, we do sometimes need that time away from children, and sometimes the only time I can carve out is when I am taking a bath, okay? So to me, that's a big deal. I want to make sure I make the experience as wonderful as possible for the short time span that it happens in. And so I decided I'm going to go ahead and make myself some bath bombs. Now, in saying that, let me say, this is not the first time I've made bath bombs, but this is the first time in a while that I've made bath bombs. So I thought I would take y'all along with me so you guys can kind of see the process, just in case you decide you want to indulge on this too. So as I'm putting the ingredients together, I'm going to give you the ingredients. That way, if you want to do a bath bomb, this will probably make 4 bath bombs, 4 small bath bombs, or 2 big, large bath bombs, whichever you prefer. I'm going to be working from my little recipe I got from another YouTuber. I'll link that person below, as well as this information that I'm getting ready to put together. Okay, and so we're gonna go over all the ingredients really quickly. Now, I will say this, I am excited about this. Most of my ingredients, you guys, I got from the dollar store. Yep, the 99-cent store, the purple and green 99-cent store. I got most of these ingredients. I even think I got this there. Yep, it was $2.99, but I still got it from there. Okay, so we've got our Epsom salts, baking soda, cornstarch, Witch Hazel. I can't remember if I got this there or not. I may not have. I think my husband picked that up from somewhere else. I got my mold. I'm just using an old mold that I used to use in my baking goods. I'm now going to use it for my bombs because it has a flower mold. I thought that was pretty. Okay, got a couple of utensils here. Just a spatula, an actual spatula, and a whisk. A little red measuring cup and a scoop. Now, depending on what you want to incorporate into your bath bombs will depend on what other products you put in there. You can put essential oils, you can do colors, which I do plan on doing, so I'm going to add that in too. But you don't do your oils, you don't do your fragrance or your coloring until the end of the process, okay? It's a certain way you got to mix everything together. It's a certain way that it all has to mix, otherwise it'll fizz up and it won't be any good, okay? So let's get started. I'm excited. Really, I'm excited to be doing this. So come with me, y'all. Let's get this going. All right. So we're going to put a cup of baking soda. Break up those pieces there. We'll break those up. That's a half a cup. Let's do one more. Break up those clumps when they go in there. You can even sift it if you like, if you think that's going to help you get a better measurement. Or you can use an actual scale. Do it by the ounce or the gram or whatever. Okay, so 1 cup of baking soda. A half a cup of Epsom salt. Okay, I have the chamomile and green tea. We'll use a half a cup of that. I always thought that Epsom salt looks like little ice crystals. Anybody else feel that way? Anyhow, so there's the Epsom salt there. Okay. So we're going to pour that in there. And then we're going to do half a cup of cornstarch. Here's our, I'm showing each product just in case someone doesn't know what some of these products look like. Okay. So we're going to pat that down, make sure we got the right measurement. Okay, so that's half a cup of cornstarch. All right, All right, so we got those in there. Now we're gonna take our whisk and we're gonna whisk all that up real good. Break down those little chunks. Okay, you can see it all flying everywhere. Try not to make it fly everywhere, but really trying to get a good mix here. So after we get a good mix, the next thing we want to do, it's optional. You want to put in some oils. Like I stated previously, I've got a little bit of vitamin E oil here. And yes, I did get this from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to put a couple of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 drops of that. So we're going to mix that. Once we put that in, we want to give that a good mix. Next, we're going, ooh, that smells so good. I think I'm gonna put a couple more drops. Okay, that smells so good. Guys, my allergies are starting to act out, so I might have to run and go take an allergy pill. Anybody else suffer with allergies and understand my struggle? This season has been tough with all the fires here in California and then everything else. It's just been a hard season. All right, so we've got our vitamin E oil in there, okay? Now we're going to do our citric acid. Okay, this is the one that you always do last. Citric acid. And I didn't even bring it in here. Oh my God. Let me go get it, y'all. Hold on. All right, you guys. You know, I'm a canner, so I have citric acid. Citric acid. There it is there. We're going to do a half a cup. This is always done almost at the end last, okay? The citric acid is done at the end, okay? Let's pour it all in there. We do that last, right before we do our... Okay, quick disclaimer. Do not come for me about giving this advice, okay? I've been using this product for over 10 years. Do as you do. This is just what I do. This as my eyeshadow. Shadow is called Pearl X. This one is Misty Lavender. It's called Pearl X. This is what I use. For all of you who wonder about my eyeshadows and how I get them so pigmented, I've been using this product that I found at actually Michael's, Target's, Hobby Lobby. It's a craft product, but it has the same ingredients that eyeshadow has in it. And I've been in Sephora. I've been in a MAC store. I've been in Ultra. And I always have people stop me and ask me which one I have on. And it's none of those. It's actually this, and it's like 10% of what it cost in there. So, and in this one vial, I have it in every color pretty much, has lasted me for almost 5 years. So just saying, if you're interested, let me know. I'll do a video. So I'm going to put some in there. Just, you know, at your leisure. Whatever you think is best. And let's get close. I'm going to mix that up. Kids for their, here's our essential oil that we're using. Good old lavender. All right, we're gonna drop some drops in there. I'm gonna do 2 droplets. Give it a good stir. All right. Now, let's get in there. Now this is where the Witch Hazel comes in. And you just want to give it a little, I'm just still breaking some of this up. The Witch Hazel is going to help it stick together. Okay. But just want to give it a little spray. I don't have a spray bottle. So I'm just going to put a little in my hand. You see how it's fizzing up though? And I'm going to mix it in there. I'm going to mix it in there. And I want it to really fizz. Consistency. Where I can. Starting to cake up. I could have did this in my KitchenAid, but I chose not to. Thought I would just show you guys how to do it manually, just in case you didn't have a KitchenAid, you know what I mean? Right? Now that looks good, okay? Look at that. That looked really, really good. You see that? Now that held nicely. Do you see? So we'll do some half circle forms because we know that works for whatever reason. So we're just gonna push. This is just the measuring cup I used, okay? It's a silicone measuring cup. And there's our bath bomb. And it is just a half circle because, well, I couldn't find the whole one. So we're just gonna let that dry. I'm gonna do a few more. And this will be good for me for at least 2 to 3 baths. One day I'm gonna do a big giant batch. So you're just pushing it down. The compacting of it is what makes it, you know, do what it do. All right, there's another. Just let it dry. And if a little bit comes apart, it's okay, as long as most of it holds its form. Now this one, I want to try something a little different. I'm gonna put a little bit of something at the bottom. I'm gonna put some sprinkles. Hold on. So one thing you can put in these bath bombs is sprinkles, like candy sprinkles. Just don't put a whole lot. So I'm gonna put a little bit of these pink sprinkles at the bottom. I thought this would be great for Christmas time, if you have some little sprinkles that are gingerbread and or candy canes or Christmas trees or anything like that, snowman, all those little cutie things, you know, would be perfect for this. So I'm trying to just get my skills up because I plan on selling some of these along with body scrubs and bar soaps down the line. So I figured I better just go ahead and start. Sorry y'all, I'm breathing so hard. I just came upstairs, my nose is clogged because I didn't take my allergy pill in time. Should have, but didn't. And so now I'm struggling. So bear with me. So we're just gonna push that down as you see here. And flipper. Give it a little push at the top. Not much, just enough to release that suction, and look how pretty. See there? And then we're gonna just put that one there. So I'm learning right now. Once I really hone in on these skills, then I'll be able to open shop, y'all. I've been watching soap making videos along with bath bombs and candle videos all week, like I'm a student, okay? Because that is what I plan to do next. So there's that one. So we've got 4, and we're just gonna let them sit here and dry. And like I said, if you would have had 2 big giant bombs like this, but I didn't have a bomb mold that big, so and this just wasn't doing what it was supposed to. So that's out. All right, and that's that, you guys. Those are our bath bombs. Those are it. So what's today? So I got enough to last me till the weekend, hopefully. If not, I'll make some more. And you see, it didn't take that long. I mean, it took me a minute because I'm, you know, like I said, I'm learning and going through all the different steps. But the color purple, I could have used some more coloring. Guess I could have used more coloring. But this is also a great gift to do for little kids. So if you have some little ones, and especially right now, since everyone's at home anyway. So again, these are the bath bombs we just made here. This pink one here just has a little bit of sprinkles on the top. So those are the 4 that I did. As you can see, they're about the size of my hand, and I just did the half ones because I didn't have a completely big round mold. So I did half. No, my hands look crazy now. But oh, they smell so good, you guys. So give it a go. Give it a go. Give it a go. So this is great to do with little kids, you know, to help them give out treats and stuff to grandmas and aunties and all that type of jazz. Not sure yet if I'm going to do it with my kids. My first batch that I do want to send out will be like I want it to be like a yummy batch. I want it to be like, you know, coffee scrub and, you know, chocolate cake body lotion and, you know, like really yummy smells that incorporate Christmas and the smells that come along with that. So that's what I would like to do for gifts this year if I can get the time to get around to doing it. But I wanted to try this out, you know, just to make sure that the recipe I had did stand up to what it's supposed to. And then that way I can go ahead and do the math on it and make a bigger batch. So those are our 4 bath bombs. What else is going on in my life? I don't know. There's just so much going on. There's so much going on. I've got a couple of things down the line that I'm really excited about. I am excited about reaching 100 subscribers. You guys who are subscribed, thank you. I'm so excited. And I know a lot of people are like, 100 subscribers are not a lot. That's not a lot of people. To me, it's a lot of people because I started at 0. So to me, it's a lot of people. And I am appreciative of every single person that subscribed. I will be doing a giveaway, 100 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably be talking about that in the next video. This video, I just wanted to bring you guys a quick little something and show you guys how to do these bath bombs. But so excited that I reached 100 subscribers. And this YouTube thing is not easy. It is not easy. It is not for the faint of heart. And oh God, you guys, these smell so good. I just want to bite it. It smells so good. Beautiful lavender. Oh, it smells so good. And you can see all the Epsom salt crystals, which makes it really look pretty. It looks like glass. Little jewels or glitter, whichever you prefer. So here is a cup. I just have a little cup of just water and a piece of the bath bomb right here. I'm gonna drop in here so you guys can see how it fusses up. See that? Good. So that is our bath bomb making tutorial. The first of many, I'm sure. Like I said, I wanted to do a smaller batch because I did not want to make a big batch that wasn't going to work correctly. So I kept it short, small, simple, and it made really 2 big giant bath bombs, but I broke it into 4, about the size of my hand, each one of them. So it's a nice little recipe if you want to get a couple of, even if I was to make them like the smaller ones, I'd probably be able to get about 8. I can get at least 2 small ones from each of these 4. So, you know, it depends on what you want to do and how big you want them. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little short tutorial. I will be doing some more in the near future. Like I said, you guys, thank you so much. I have reached not 1,000 subscribers, Lord, 100 subscribers. And I know that's not a big deal to some, but to me that is huge because I started at 0. I started with none. So for each and every one of you who has subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. It does not go and it's not taken lightly for me. I'm very appreciative. I hope that you continue to watch my videos, continue to enjoy the content. I will strive to continue to put out better content and just keep bringing you guys me, because that's really all I'm bringing. I'm just bringing me, the things I like, the things I enjoy doing, just trying to inspire others, trying to just motivate others as others have motivated me. That's all. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Okay, remember to stay wrapped in scraps, to remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, because you are alive. Stay loving life, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.